Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to make myself some breakfast, and I've recently been getting in the habit of making scrambled eggs, but putting green onion or chives in the mix. Also was doing some pre-cut bacon mixed in, but got these chives here. It's Monday, September 16th, and I just pretty much have exhausted these chives down to little nubs here, but they have nice roots on them. And like I said, it's September here, mid-September. I'm going to put these in the garden and see what type of progress I can get in the coming weeks. I mean, they're not expensive. I don't recall what I paid for these, but yeah, let's see if I can get some free or extend the life of these and have them produce for me. So today's Monday. I'm gonna get these in the raised bed. Alright, so I'm just going to take these, put them in the soil. That easy. Unless the squirrels dig them up. Okay, so it's now Friday, September 27th, and that's progress that the green onions have made. And they've recovered from the squirrel and something else chewed it. I think there was just the squirrel walking on them. Broke some of the tops off, but yeah, just have those little nubs. I actually just bought some more green onions, but they like the cooler temperatures, so they should be growing until the first frost. Just don't throw them out in the trash. Get some extra green onions. Put this hardware cloth over this just temporarily. Figure something out. Keep the squirrel off of it. Okay, so today's Thursday, October 31st, and this is the growth I've got so far on the chives. Thought it would have been more, but as soon as you plant something, it's interesting how the critters go, hey, what's this? They start digging it up. So that's what happened on these last two here. These put in a little bit later, but these others too, some of these next day they were dug up. But yeah, I think maybe they're supposed to be planted closer together so they support each other, because they have a tendency to droop over like that, get kinked. But yeah, I got some chives here. If I need some and I forgot to buy some. So today's like really warm. It's supposed to be 80 in the shade. I think it's definitely in the high 80s in the sun, because I went for a walk and I'm sweating. It was 106 in the greenhouse I went in and opened up that the vent on the top there. I think I'm gonna have to install the other ones, figure out some automated system. I know I've seen them in YouTube videos. Yeah, it's hot today. And man, this thing here, whatever this is, it just keeps on putting out flowers. And it's so warm, the honeybees are out. Somebody's honeybees working the aster and this flower here, whatever this is. Here's one. So in my location, we had a really good steady rain the other night, but I guess we're sort of in a drought or high fire hazard conditions. I think there's some serious brush fires going on, or were going on, in Salem, Massachusetts. I thought it might affect the crowds going up to Salem for Halloween. So I brought my figs out again. I don't know if I mentioned this. It kills me. You know, the whole yard, got this whole yard. And I should have known better. I put these figs out just on the ground. And I couldn't help noticing that. I was thinking, yeah, I thought this had some dormant buds on it. And it did. It's just that the rabbits decided just to snip off probably like 4 dormant buds. This one escaped, but this I think had 3, and this might have had 2. Definitely the top one. You could tell the way it gets cut. It's almost like with a pair of shears at an angle. This one here was too tall. And I don't know if I mentioned, yeah, some new acquisitions, Irene's Black Greek, and oh, that's, yeah, I had to have I did mention this UC Davis Shea Black and Smith. That's the one the buds got snipped off. Calderona. Yeah. So there's my I-258. Still holding on to its leaves. I think we got down to like 34 for a couple of nights. We haven't had a nice heavy frost or heavy freeze, hard freeze. So it's, and the barrage really took off too in the fall. We have these new plants. It's volunteer seedlings and provide last minute source for nectar and pollen, I guess. Along with the Mexican sunflower. The blueberries got a nice color there for fall. But yeah, just a last update here. Glad I cleared this out here because my asparagus was all shaded all summer. And now it's putting up some new shoots. But not growing as strongly as I thought it would once I got it in the sun. Yes. Here's struggling. But yeah, just a quick video there on little green onions or chives that had left over with the roots on them. And I don't know if they do that with the chives. Somebody was saying that in the produce, I know for like celery, I think they do some type of wax, but also they say they do some type of spray maybe to keep them from rooting or growing roots. So maybe this has some type of retardant on it for slowing down its growth. I don't know. but that's the growth that I have so far since it's been put in. So this is New England Gardening on this Thursday, October 31st, 2024. Thanks for watching.